Now's a good time to showcase my project that I've been working on here. Now this thing here has a multitude of uses here. I've got the frequency selector here for 10 frequencies. I've got to make 10 ceramic capacitor, all different values, and I can select 10 different frequency outputs here. And now one there, that's a switch to turn one stage on and the second stage on. The 9-volt batteries go on the top here. In here, I've put on one on the top here, a polarity indicator circuit. So both LEDs will light up to indicate AC flow. Okay, if you're in an area of paranormal activity and they should suddenly interfere with power, I'm sort of counting on the cycles to be slowed down. So if the AC cycle slows down, only one LED will come on indicating DC or whatever. This is an audio output here for the piezos I've got at the front of this unit here. If you look carefully, I've got 2 piezo speakers there, and I can turn both of them on. I can class 2 audio frequencies together with this here, not like one like you do on the bajack capacitor where it's only got one sound, but 2. So it'd be very interesting to see how 2 audio frequencies clashing together would react or whatever. Now, another thing too, if I'm not using the audio output through the piezos at the front there, I can run this output here straight to a real powerful amplifier, say a 1000-watt amplifier, and I can amplify these AC audio frequencies really big time, you know. But anyhow, the box has all been decorated in aluminium tape here, and all I have to do now is the wiring. That's the hard part. I've got to do the wiring, and I've got to fit 2 LEDs on each board inside there and run it to the outside, so I'll put them somewhere in here. But anyhow, that's basically what it looks like now. So this thing here will put out a total of 20 frequencies. Now if I put out an audio frequency on one there and select another one there and see how they clash together, you know, and so on. It's just an experiment really, isn't it? And I got the 2 audio outputs here. Now, when you're near an area where there's ghost paranormal activity, there's always a problem of the power going dim. But I just kind of suspect, which I need to find out, that what the paranormal activity is doing, it's not sucking the power out, it's slowing the cycles of AC down, so it's only DC. So these 2 lights will come on, AC. If the paranormal activity affects the AC flow, it'll slow down enough to allow one light only. So same applies that one. So I'll try various frequencies to see which one is affected the most. Sort of like an experiment anyhow. But anyhow, that's about it for now. Thank you for watching my latest video.